Welcome back to Guga Foods, everybody. You know, Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and I wanted to do something completely different and challenge myself and show you guys a different take on traditional turkey. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It is not your mama's turkey. Check it out. For today's cook, we're going to be taking away the traditional turkey and turning it into a masterpiece for Thanksgiving. I started off with a 17-pound turkey, which was still partially frozen so that I can keep it cold while I am doing my butchering. And the first thing I did was remove the wings. Then I turned it on its back so that I can start deboning it. I made an incision in the back and just followed the rib bone. Once I was done with one side, we just gotta repeat the other. The most important part is to make sure that you keep the skin intact. Now that I have removed the rib cage, it is time to debone the rest. For the tendons in the leg, it's just easy to get a plier and pull them out. And there you have it, 100% deboned turkey. Now, in order to keep everything flat, I decided to reorganize the meat so that I can keep it as flat as possible. Then I seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Now, you're welcome to stuff it with anything you like, even traditional stuffing, but today I am stuffing it with potatoes and bacon. Now it is ready to be tied. To tie this bird, I am using the butcher's knot. If you do not know the butcher's knot, I made a video on the description down below so that you can learn step by step on how to do it. I'm also doing a simple but important basting sauce so that we can get an additional flavor and incredible coloring. I started off with salted butter, bacon fat, paprika, and soy sauce. Mix it well and your basting sauce is done. Now I really wanted to go for a crispy skin, so I decided to brine it overnight to dry out that skin as much as I could, and here's my setup. I started with a baking tray, paper towel to catch the juices, and a cooling rack. Then I added a little bit of fine salt so that it would dry out all that moisture from that skin. Then I let it dry brine overnight in my refrigerator. After dry brining overnight, you could really tell that the skin got much drier than yesterday. Now all there is left to do is insert my thermometer and cook them up. I'm setting my cooker to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm shooting for an internal temperature of 165 so that when I pull it out, the carryover will take it to 175. So let's do it. What do you think, Angel?
Man, this is definitely one of the nicest looking turkeys I've seen.
I've never seen a turkey like that. Have you?
No, I haven't seen anything looking like this.
Very good. But now we gotta come down to the important part. Are you ready to try it?
Oh, of course. Come on.
Oh, golden brown. Hold on. First, I want to
nice.
see that skin before anything. Angel, let me give you a little bit of a skin action. Ooh, it's hot. Try that skin action and tell me, my friend. Cheers, buddy.
Oh, it smells good. Wow.
Really? Fantastic? It's good? And I'm getting the part that got the most smoke for him on the skin. The skin's crispy?
The skin is perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. I would not change the skin.
You wouldn't change anything
nothing.
on the skin? All right, let's go ahead and go for it. Ooh, that's a big piece.
That's the piece I chose.
Go for it, buddy. Tell me how it tastes. You let me know. Hot? That piece was too big and hot? It is hot, everybody. It's very hot. Cheers. That is good.
Yeah. See, after you get past the burning, it's really good.
You burned your tongue, Angel.
Yeah, a little bit on the tip.
You have to give it a little bit of time. We give it about 15 minutes, but that's not enough.
Yeah, it's still really, really hot.
It's really super, super hot, everybody. I'm curious about the potatoes. Let's see if the potatoes are well cooked.
Oh, I think they're alright.
Let's see. The potatoes are not perfectly soft. They're kind of like harsh brown.
They're kind of like baked potato texture.
Like baked potato texture?
Yeah.
But it's not like mashed potato.
No.
It's kind of like baked potato.
Ooh, that would have been interesting if you would have done mashed potato.
Mashed potato. Maybe you should put mashed potato inside, everybody, instead of chopped it finely like I did. That should probably be a lot better. You agree?
I don't know. I think maybe we'd have to try that next year.
I think it turned out fantastic. I'm very happy with this cook. What do you think, Angel?
I think for turkey, this is awesome.
A very unique presentation. I've never seen anything like that.
I haven't even seen chicken look this nice.
I know, right? It looks fantastic. Beautiful golden color, everybody. Because that basting butter, it really, really does the trick on the color. Look how beautiful color it is.
It looks awesome.
That's good.
It's good, man.
That's good. Make sure you dry brine your turkey like I did. It does wonders, everybody. Wonders.
And listen, I'm not the biggest fan of turkey.
I don't think anybody is a big fan of turkey. Would you prefer this or Japanese Wagyu A5?
Oh, come on.
This or New York strip?
You can't do that.
This or picadillo?
I like picadillo. but this one would take a regular picadillo for sure.
That's true. I think regular picadillo is better. Picadillo, by the way, if you don't know, is just regular ground beef. We are steak people, right, Angel? We're steak people.
Bro.
We like steak.
But for turkey, this is really, really good.
I agree.
And you gotta make a turkey on Thanksgiving.
Gotta do a turkey. Once a year at least, you gotta make a turkey. And it's a wonderful presentation, like I mentioned before. Is it easy? No, it is not. Is it difficult? Yes, but I wanted to challenge myself, and I'm very happy I did it. Thanks to Scott Ria from Scott Ria's Projects YouTube channel, I was able to, get inspired by him to make this cook. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, people.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving to the people.
I hope you give this a try, and if you do give it a try, make sure you tag me on Instagram.
Oh,
I would love to watch it.
I'd like to see how other people get this done.
I know. This is not easy.
It's a tough one.
It is not easy. It is challenging, but I'm glad I did it. And would I do it again? Heck yeah, I'll do it again.
Let's call it the Thanksgiving challenge.
The Thanksgiving challenge.
Thanksgiving challenge.
Hashtag Thanksgiving challenge. Show it to me. You guys can do it. I'll love to tag.
Or the Guga Turkey challenge.
Guga Turkey challenge. I love it.
Yeah.
Let's see. I would love to see it.
I would like to see what people do.
I want to see that.
This was a tough one, bro.
It's not easy, but it is incredible to do it, and I'm sure all your loved ones will appreciate it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We out.
Guga Turkey challenge.
Guga Turkey challenge.
Let's see what you guys got.
Yeah, show it to me. I love that. That's good job, Angel. Good job.
Hashtag it.
Hashtag
Guga Turkey challenge. Let's go.
Guga Turkey challenge. We'll
I want to see those.
We'll see you on the next one, everybody. And then once again, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, people.